Imagine a world where everyone can eat nutritious meals without worrying about the cost. Sounds wonderful, doesn't it? Unfortunately, the reality is quite different. Many people struggle to afford healthy food, believing that eating well is only for those with deep pockets. But is this true? As a doctor with years of research in human health and nutrition, I have seen firsthand how food choices impact lives. In this article, we will uncover the truth about affordable nutrition, dispel common myths, and equip you with science-backed strategies to eat healthily without overspending. Along the way, we'll explore fascinating real-life examples, from families overcoming food insecurity to athletes maximizing their diets on limited budgets. By the end, you will not only understand how to nourish yourself affordably but also why doing so can change your life for the better. One of the biggest misconceptions is that eating healthily is costly. The food industry has fueled this belief, often marketing expensive organic or superfoods as the only path to good health. However, studies consistently show that a balanced, nutritious diet can be achieved with inexpensive, locally available foods. For example, the Harvard School of Public Health conducted a study comparing the cost of a nutritious diet versus a less healthy one. The difference? Merely $1.50 per day. Over time, this adds up, but it's far from the exorbitant costs many assume. Instead, the real challenge lies in knowledge, understanding which foods provide maximum nutrients per dollar spent. If you want to eat healthy without spending too much, the key is choosing nutrient-dense foods, foods that give you the most vitamins, minerals, and energy for the best price. First up, protein. Instead of splurging on expensive steaks or fancy protein shakes, go for beans, lentils, eggs, or chicken thighs. They're packed with protein but cost way less. Next, carbohydrates. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and sweet potatoes are budget-friendly and much healthier than processed foods. They keep you full longer without breaking the bank. Now, let's talk about healthy fats. Peanut butter, sunflower seeds, and olive oil are great options that are both nutritious and affordable. No need to spend big on pricey supplements. And finally, veggies and fruits. Don't overlook frozen and seasonal produce, they often have the same or even more nutrients than fresh ones, and they cost a lot less. By making smart choices and focusing on nutrient-dense foods, you can eat well, stay healthy, and save money all at the same time. To illustrate these principles, let's explore the story of Lisa, a single mother of 3. Struggling with a limited budget, she turned to processed, fast foods for convenience. However, after her children began experiencing frequent illnesses, she knew something had to change. By making small swaps, buying dried beans instead of canned, choosing frozen vegetables over fresh out-of-season produce, and cooking at home more often, she was able to cut her grocery bill by 30% while improving her family's health. Today, Lisa shares her journey with others, proving that financial constraints don't have to mean sacrificing nutrition. Another compelling example is David, a college athlete. Living on a tight student budget, he initially relied on cheap ramen and fast food. After suffering from fatigue and poor performance, he consulted a nutrition expert. By incorporating eggs, peanut butter, oats, and canned fish into his diet, he drastically improved his energy levels, without spending more money. Here are some simple, science-backed strategies you can start using right away to eat healthy without overspending. First, buy in bulk. Staples like rice, beans, and oats are much cheaper when you purchase them in larger quantities. It's a small change that adds up over time. Next, plan your meals in advance. This helps you avoid impulse purchases and cuts down on food waste, saving both money and time. Another great tip, shop at local markets. Fresh produce is often way more affordable at farmers markets or discount stores compared to big supermarkets. Cooking in batches is also a game changer. Preparing meals ahead of time means you'll always have something ready to eat, reducing the temptation to order expensive takeout. And finally, if you can, grow your own food. Even a small herb garden can make meals more flavorful while cutting costs. As food technology advances, new solutions are emerging. Innovations like vertical farming, Lab-grown protein, and AI-driven meal planning apps are making nutritious foods more accessible than ever. Governments and organizations worldwide are also working to improve food security, ensuring that healthy eating isn't a privilege but a right. Planning your meals wisely, and using cost-effective strategies, you can enjoy a nutritious diet without breaking the bank. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. By making small, informed choices today, you're setting yourself up for a healthier, wealthier future. So, what will you choose to put on your plate next? Thank you for watching the video. If you found these tips and strategies helpful, don't forget to hit follow and subscribe to stay updated with more content that helps you take control of your health in a smart and affordable way. Let's protect our health together with Dr. Boost. See you in the next video.